Is your Audi's alarm going off randomly? Here's a quick guide to the most common culprits. First, check your car battery's voltage. A weak battery is a frequent cause, especially in models with start-stop systems. Use a multimeter. It should read 12.6 volts or higher. Next, inspect the hood latch switch. These sensors can corrode or misalign, triggering false alarms. Look for any visible damage or dirt. Lastly, interior motion sensors or the Siren module itself can malfunction. Recent Audis even allow remote diagnostics via the My Audi app, so check for any alerts there. Addressing these potential issues systematically will help you pinpoint the problem. Okay, you've identified a potential issue. Now what? If it's the battery, try a trickle charger or consider a replacement, especially if it's several years old. For hood latch switches, clean any corrosion with a contact cleaner and ensure proper alignment. Audi's DIY guides may offer recalibration steps. If you suspect a faulty siren or interior sensor, try resetting the alarm with your key fob. If that doesn't work, disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes can sometimes clear error codes. Remember, for complex issues or if your car is under warranty, it's best to consult a professional Audi mechanic.